Guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, please listen to this very carefully because Christ University has opened up its application forms for its round 2. Till now, we know that 1st of December was the last day to fill in the application forms for round 1, which is happening on the 7th of December, the entrance test, and the 13th and 14th of December for the interviews. By the way, all the very best to everybody who's appearing for that. I wish you all the best and I hope you do really well. Now, for all those people who will be unsuccessful in this round, or the ones who have not applied for this round because they were preparing for their pre-boards and are focusing on their boards, all of that, guys, the next round is opened up and you can fill in the forms now itself, and the dates are as follows. Please listen to this very carefully because the entrance test is happening on the 6th of April 2026 and the interviews, micro presentations and skill assessments is happening on the 10th and 11th of April 2026. For all those who are asking me that, Kavach Bhaiya, will they have a round in between this? No guys, I don't think so. Christ University will have any round in between this like in January, February or March, because all you students will be busy preparing for your boards and all of those things. At the same time, guys, for all those people who will be rejected in round 1, I just hope that doesn't happen, but I'm pretty sure some of you are going to get rejected. So for all you people, you can also apply in round 2. It's not that only people can apply once, and if you applied in round 1, you cannot apply in round 2. You can also apply in the April round, so please make a note of that. By the way, guys, if in case you're appearing on the December round and you still haven't seen me for my interview preparation 101 decoding micro presentation and skill assessment webinar, please make sure you go do it right away because I will be putting the link of that in the description of this video. At the same time, for all those people who are going to be appearing in April round, which is going to have high competition because half of the seats will be taken by the people who will be appearing in the December round, make sure you prepare really well. Please watch my videos, see me for my personal sessions. Please take my help, or helping you prepare for the interviews, micro presentation and skill assessment. I'll see you all with another video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.